The Mi Band 2 was a great smart band by Xiaomi, and it was also a personal favorite of many people. And now Xiaomi has released the successor to its Mi Band 2, which is the Mi Band 3, and it has got some really cool upgrades also. So what is up people, my name is Akshat Taneja, you are watching my channel, and in this video we are going to unbox the Mi Band 3, and we are also going to have a first look at the really cool Mi Band 3. So straight away let's begin with the video. So the Mi Band 3 for now is only available in China, and this I have ordered from Banggood.com. I will be leaving the best buy links down below in the description if you are willing to buy this really cool Mi Band 3. So first of all, let's begin with the unboxing and cut open this packet. So this is the tiny little box of the Mi Band 3, and you can see it is a really small box, and on the top we can see the main unit of the smart band. So let's remove the plastic from the top of the box. So this is the box of the Mi Band 3, and you can see it is having a transparent top, and here is the seal right here. On the back of the box we have some specifications written in Chinese, which surely I can't read because I don't know Chinese. So let's take this tape off and have a look at the main unit and smart band. So you can see here we have the main unit on the top, and you can lift it from here. So this is the main unit which will be fixed to the main band. So let's take this off from the cardboard piece. So this is the main unit itself, and on the back of the main unit we have the heart rate monitor and the Mi branding, and on the front we are having a sticker which we can remove and have a look at the display itself. So after removing the sticker we can see that the display is coming on. So let's put this sticker away. So let's put the main unit aside for a minute and have a look what other contents do we get in the box. And now we have this band which is made up of really good quality, and on the top of this band we have to fix the main unit right here. So let's go ahead and fix this main unit on the top of this band. So now as you can see, the main unit is fixed on the top of the band, and let's see what other contents do we have in the box. Here it's an instruction manual which is full in Chinese, so surely we can't read this. And we also have a tiny little charging cable. As you can see, you can fix the main unit in here and plug this onto the adapter. So let's keep the box aside and have a look at the main band itself. So this is the main band itself, and this is a touch screen with a touch button right here. For using this band you have to download the Mi Fit app from the Play Store. So this is the app itself, and you have to install this app for using your Mi Band 3. So you can see the app is installing right now. So our application is installed now, and you can just go ahead and open this application. And after opening the application, it will tell you to sign into your Mi account. So I'll just sign into my Mi account. So after signing in, you have to select your country in which you live. I live in India, so I will select my country. So after signing into the app, it will ask you to set your activity goals. Like I will set 10,000 steps for now, and I will just say next. So after successfully signing in to the Mi Fit app, it will come an option of pairing your device. You can just tap to pair your device, and you have to select band. And it has found the band, and my band also gave me a vibration, and it is saying tap the band to pair. So I have tapped the band and it is successfully pairing now. So my band shows the time right now, and you can see it is upgrading the firmware of the band. So after the firmware upgrade, the band automatically changed to English language. You can see it is showing everything in English now, which is really good. You can see the Mi Band 3 is also having raise to wake up feature, by which you can wake up the band by just raising your hand, or you can just tap this and you can open the band and see your activity or time or weather or heart rate or anything. So guys, if you want a full review of the Mi Band 3, make sure you hit that like button, and if you are having any queries about the Mi Band 3, feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section. And if you like this video, be that cool guy to hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make that red button turn grey, and also hit that bell icon to get instantly notified about all my latest uploads. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.